Dickinson, North Dakota, about 11:40 a.m. We're under a winter weather advisory. It's October 3rd, and I just seen a couple car accidents as I was coming home. It's pretty bad, I guess. It's not too bad for Dickinson, though. I've never seen snow like this in a long time. But we like this. Douchebags at the school board won't cancel school, but that's typical for them. But snow is sticking, as you can see, kinda. But it's about like, 19 degrees right now. It's pretty fucking cold. It was about like 50 degrees today until boom, like at about 10 o'clock, it just fucking started raining and raining. And then, just right then, it turned into snow. And then we're getting this, and it's pretty crazy. Yeah, I came upon 2 accidents. They weren't too bad about fender benders, but tonight it's going to be even worse. But I gotta go to school, so later.